हेलो नमस्ते। आप देख रहे हैं बॉडी स्पीक्स बेटर और आज हम डिकोड करने वाले हैं थोड़ा सा एक्सेंट, थोड़ा सा बिहेवियर और थोड़ा सा बॉडी लैंग्वेज ऑफ ऑल द पीपल इंडियंस जो कि कान फिल्म फेस्टिवल में आए थे। चलिए देखते हैं सबसे पहले किसकी बारी है। सबसे पहले हम देंगे धन्यवाद ब्रूट को क्योंकि ब्रूट ने हमारे काम को बहुत ही आसान बना दिया है। और चलिए सबसे पहली बारी आती है
Hello,
उर्वशी
Brute.
राउत तक। उर्वशी
Welcome
का
to the La La
एक्सेंट है
Land
इनफैक्ट
and
चेंज
welcome
पे
to the
रहता है और यहाँ
Dreamland.
देखते हैं उनके
Come on
एक्सेंट कैसे
inside.
हैं।
Yes. Yes, so welcome. You can have a sneak peek to the room and sneak peek to all the beautiful dresses. And I'm very, very happy as my very beautiful and gorgeous Georgia. She's gonna help me discover. She has been styling me for over, like, for the very prestigious Empire. And right now, I just want her to help me with the dress according to my body, whichever looks the best for the event.
तो जैसा कि यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, द फर्स्ट थिंग टू लुक एट इज द रोलिंग ऑफ आर। तो एक आई थिंक सारे इंडियंस में ये चीज़ है, जैसे ही उनको थोड़ा सा एक्सेंट दिखाना रहता है सबसे पहले वो आर को बोलना बंद कर देते हैं। सो इट्स लाइक हियर। एंड देखते हैं आगे जो लोग हैं उनकी एक्सेंट कैसी है। ओके, सो ही इज द
How are you
फर्स्ट गाय।
discovering new talents?
I discover through Instagram. I DM them, and my assistant will go follow up, and then with people
Goat,
in Georgia,
greatest of all
Iran,
time.
North India,
No
Middle East,
accent, no style, no
strange faces.
attitude,
So they
plain and
come
simple,
things like from
answering the
Chennai or
question.
from Mumbai.
Remember a time when when I was crying in the bathroom because
Here I'm going to pause this. सबसे पहले look at the gesture, which is hands in the pockets. Sometimes people think that it is a sign of confidence, and sometimes it might signify that a person is nervous if they are going to make a mistake. So every celebrity who walks on red carpet, they have this pressure of impression management. So they don't want to go wrong, and hence they put on their best show. And here you will see one more gesture.
I got thrown out of about three movies at the same time, and
When he says three movie at the same time, there is a micro expression of fear. I hope you caught that.
somebody else came and got the role, or
Now the hand is out, and now this is the pacifier, which is a self soothing gesture. People use it when they are little uncomfortable or nervous.
whatever, things happen, and I was really dejected, and I was heartbroken, and I felt like giving up. And then my mom comes into the bathroom and she sits next to me, and,
That's from
she puts her arm around me and she says that
second rolling of tongue, rolling of R. We don't know if this is his real accent, but let's pass.
Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. Hello, guys.
I'm wearing this young Indian designer called Rosani. The designer is called Rohitash.
Ankush, I really like him. His persona. Uh, he's not a person who shows something and he is something. So I like his gesture, and here we can see that his behavior is very much natural, and he's not trying to roll his R and put on some fake accent. And you can see that the hand gestures are also very much out there. He's using illustrators. Illustrators are basically the gestures which people use while they talk. It's not a good gesture, it's not a bad gesture, it's the gesture, and it helps people to explain more.
He's a very, very skilled designer. When I got to know that I'm going to be coming here, I wanted to promote young Indian designer.
It's allowed now. Indians are going out there and everywhere. They're representing our culture, our heritage.
No accents.
That's the proud feeling. That's what I really like about it. I'm wearing an Indian outfit by an Indian designer. Maroka is the brand name. That's what I'm wearing. I love.
मतलब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मेरा ड्रीम भी नहीं था इतना बड़ा तो जिधर
Nancy is one amazing soul because she has been using her talent for a long time and has been showcasing on Instagram. Anyway, this video is not about praising her, but I like her genuinity in this video where शी knows that okay probably I'm not very good at English, तो ठीक है मैं अपने भाषा में बात करूंगी. So Nancy, kudos to you.
मैं अभी खड़ी हूँ और I'm really excited. I'm really nervous. This is my first time. I don't know. Like, I'm getting goosebumps right now.
And now we have her. She's an amazing RJ, and अगर आपने उनके Instagram videos देखे होंगे, that is also great. So what she is doing is she is also speaking faster, and she's using her body as self-soothing gesture. This is an active sign of nervousness, and again, it makes sense because it's her first experience.
First of all, can you tell us about what you're wearing tonight?
So I'm wearing Anamika Khanna right now. Yep, and I'm wearing Christian Louis Vuitton right now. And this is Amrapali. Yeah.
And what does that represent for you to be here in Cannes representing India?
I'm representing Indian music right now. Yeah, and I think it's the great time to be here to represent our culture, our colors. So I think, yeah, I'm blessed enough.
Throughout the rolling of the R's, there's another thing that you can see. One time is self-soothing gesture, which is the sign of nervousness or being uncomfortable, and the second thing is this gesture or signal, facial expression, which is the sign of contempt, which is like, "Hey, I'm superior than you." Not necessarily a person always feels that, but whenever there is an asymmetrical facial expression, which is one sided lip up, it might mean a person is thinking that they are superior or they are thinking that you are inferior. If you want, we can start this video one more time.
I'm really excited. First of all, can you tell us about what you're wearing tonight?
So I'm wearing Anamika.
So look at this animation on the body, right? He's moving a lot. This is a sign of not being comfortable there and also to get it out of the system because they have prepared the answer.
Anamika Khanna right now. Yep, and I'm wearing Christian Louis Vuitton right now. And this is Amrapali. Yeah.
And what does that represent for you to be here in Cannes representing India?
So now he will mispronounce the word representing, which is totally fine. इंसान है गलती होती है. But the moment he makes this mistake, his body language changes at that point of time. Pay minute attention.
I'm representing Indian music right now. Yeah, and I think it's the great time to be here to represent our culture.
And the moment somebody is uncomfortable, another gesture is to be seen that is one sided shoulder shrug, which means that a person is now heavily uncomfortable.
Knows here shows that
Look at the hand gestures again, and she's being very confident, and you can again see a one sided lip smile.
we can be multidimensional and we can do really well in business and ace it in fashion as well. So, in a way, breaking some stereotypes.
मंजूर आप मुझे देख रहे हैं ब्रूट पे बोलिए सर क्या सेवा
Rajpal Yadav, no need to make any impression on anybody because his impression is already on us. So wonderful, kudos. I like the confidence of people who do not really care on what people are going to think about them. Again, it's a part of impression management, but once you've received or once you have reached that goal, that's amazing.
कर सकता हूँ कांस में आया हूँ कांस में हूँ और ये विश्व का ऐसा मेला है जिसमें
Very humbling. It's very, very humbling. It's going to be a decade in my career now. So I think it comes at a very special moment as well. And I'm truly so humbled to be here at Cannes for the first time and being honored by the Red Zero Foundation for Women in Cinema. It's just such a humbling experience. It's very
So, as you can see that a lot of Indians have been rolling their R, and here you will see one more facial expressions, which is the lip up facial expressions. Let me just play it one more time.
humbling. It's very, very humbling. It's going to be a decade.
You see that? That's a sign of confidence. Sometimes people might feel that it's contempt, which is the feeling of being superior.
In my career now. So I think it comes at a very special moment as well. And I'm truly so humbled to be.
Why do people put on the accent? And the first and the only reason for people to put on the accent is the impression management. That means they want to be seen and perceived as a person of certain stature, which is totally fine. depending on where you are in life, you will keep changing your personas, you will keep changing the way you behave. And it's not wrong to just point fingers at, oh, look at the accent, oh, look at the accent. It's a phase of life. But the more you know yourself, the lesser it becomes to get social validation. So pay attention to this and have a happy journey in your life. Bye bye.